Hi everyone, my name is Nicolai and I teach high school mathematics. My classes include statistics, pre-calc, and AP Calc 1 and 2. In all of my classes, I focus really hard on concept and understanding as opposed to arithmetic and number crunching. In statistics, we learn how to gather good data, organize it in a manner that it's easy to understand, and then determine if this data is even statistically significant enough to care about. Every year, we do a large project where the students get to gather real-world data on a topic that they care about. This particular year happens to be COVID-related data, because of course it is. In pre-calc, we dig really hard into trigonometry and advanced algebra. The point of this class is to make sure that the students don't have any unnecessary struggles when they move to calculus in the following year. Here we get really comfortable manipulating equations and solving for variables and really understanding why equations are what they are. I'm fully aware that this is the class where students really start to get burned out with math because so many equations take so many steps to solve. So I really focus hard to make sure that these students are confident in their abilities to go the whole way and get the problem done. Calculus is all about the big picture because every step of the process builds on the previous step. So we practice this a lot to make sure that every student is ready to move forward. Some people can be pretty overwhelmed with taking an upper-level mathematics class. So I have a lot of resources around the room that help with that. As you can see here, we have my wall of symbols. There's a lot of common math symbols that you will see in a textbook and what they mean. So let's see. Let's see here. The real numbers are that funky R symbol, okay? Or the difference between parentheses and brackets, okay? Whenever a student is like, wait a second, I don't remember what that means, they just have to go look on the wall. It's right there. I also have my wall of common mistakes, okay? And they're cute so that students remember them well. An example here, whenever a student makes this particular mistake, the koi gasps in shock. But when you do it correctly, the koi smiles in surprise. Okay? So they're cheesy and corny, but that's the point because then the students remember them. And lastly, once COVID is over, my classroom will also have a guitar in the corner and a shelf full of Rubik's Cubes for students to play with.